Spanish and you want to sing a Spanish song, you have a lot of accent. The people say, make joke with me.
Yes,
Okay.
You know, I said, doesn't matter.
Chinita, no habla español.
Sí.
Algo así.
Sí.
Te hablan a ti.
Sí, gente habla, pero it's not true, you know.
Yes.
The language from Chinese is very interesting. We do
Yeah, it
have like 200 dialects.
yes.
Wow.
200. And what you try to that accent, and that's dialects. You know, dialects, every city they have dialects. Even some dialects I don't understand nothing. I don't understand. It's like Japanese, it's like Vietnamese, we don't understand nothing. But it's in China. It's very interesting, you know. But everybody speaks Mandarin. With the Mandarin, you can communicate in the whole world Chinese, you know.
Nice.
And Mandarin language is very romantic, very soft, and also very sexy. When you speak, 你好吗?
What did you say?
It's like, how are you?
Okay.
Nice.
You
How
know,
do you say it? How do you do it?
你好吗?
你好吗?
Yes.
你好吗?
Yes. You
Ni
see
hao
different-
is how are you, right?
你好.
Yes.
你好吗?
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's why all my songs mix with the Spanish and mix with the Chinese and Mandarin. And the idea is also I want more people knows about our culture, about our language, because everybody is making joke with our language.
Yes.
That's so funny, you know. Sometimes I ping pong, and how they say? They said it when you throw the plates. It's the kibra.
Yeah.
And that's the Chinese language. Kang kang chang chang.
Oh my
You know, they always make a joke with that. But I said, you know, I'm gonna make the song with the language very beautiful, and let people knows our language is not people think, you know.
And that's how they start calling you like China Latina as well.
Right.
But do you like
They
them
call
you like that?
Yes.
Because I don't like people calling the Chinese people like
Chino, ¿me entiende?
Sí, sí,
Chino.
sí.
Yeah.
Why?
And normally people call that way. It's very feel like no respect.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
I call it
Unrespectful.
Aropiano, Venezuelano,
Yes.
Colombiano, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
But on the artist, this is like kind of stamp for me. It's my stamp.
Okay.
Because I have the style like a Chinese, and I have some people said, oh, your father is Ladino. You know, maybe I live Aruba many years. I
They
dress
try to
different.
connect the Latin fusion with your Chinese culture, you know?
Yes, and then people just call me, oh, China Latina, and then come out with my artist name. I was Mali, because I put my name Mali. It's also my really name. It's not an artist name.
Mali.
I'm
It's your
China
real name.
Latina.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Nice.
Awesome. And the production of this new song that we're gonna listen to it soon. How did it start? So how did you get to that song at the Chinita Perdida, right?
Yes. And this production normally I do in Colombia, Medellin, and with Universal. Universal in Colombia, in Medellin, they have very good platform for the artists, and they do a lot of production for the good artists. You know, the things have a lot of opportunity in Medellin and good producer, and everything what you need in Colombia you find easily, you know, and that's why. And one day we have this idea and we start to do the beat, but the first beat was not exactly I want, because I changed the beat as cover, like dembow,
Okay.
you know, with the rhythm, the ideas. I want to different age people can listen the song, they like the song. Not only young people, middle age, because the older people, it's 80 years they listen the song. And they will love the rhythm when they hear that song, remind them when I was younger.
Nice. Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
And then finally I got the beat from John Twister. He's from a local artist.
Yes.
You know, producer. He's very talented. You know, and when he sent me that beat, I said, this one is I want. And then they come out the song, it's people like it. And now in Colombia, all the discotheque, and they play that
Really?
song.
Nice.
Yes, and in TikTok and everybody. Anita Church, she also do one like transaction with the Chinita Perdida with the makeup, you know.
We shall do it.
Yeah, first
Amen.
like Latina, after makeup with the Chinese.
You have your makeup
can have
artist
like a-
here already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he always do the very excellent makeup for me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, are we gonna listen to
Sure,
it?
sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where can we find the song? Is it on YouTube, Spotify?
Right now it's in Spotify and the
Chinita
video.
Perdida.
Yeah, the video clip soon. I think more or less like 2 weeks I'm gonna release.
You have a video clip. Did you film it here in Aruba? Or?
No, I'm feeling in Colombia.
Okay,
Medellin.
nice.
Yes.
Awesome, excited.
Thank you very much for the interview then today.
Thank you very much, and I'm so happy to be here every time.